Tired of smoke and cooking odors taking over your kitchen? The portable range hood is a compact, ductless solution that keeps your indoor cooking space fresh and comfortable. This mini desktop exhaust fan works instantly to remove smoke, steam, and odors without any complicated installation. With 3 adjustable fan speeds, you can customize airflow for anything from light simmering to heavy frying. Its high-efficiency air vent filter system traps grease and particles, keeping your kitchen cleaner while improving air quality. Perfect for apartments, RVs, campers, or small kitchens, it's lightweight, portable, and easy to move wherever you need it. The quiet, smokeless operation ensures you can cook comfortably without disruptive noise, and maintenance is a breeze thanks to its easy-to-clean filters. It's a smart, practical solution for anyone who wants effective ventilation without a full-sized range hood. If you want hassle-free smoke and odor removal in a compact, efficient package, this portable range hood is a must-have. Click the link below for the best price.